Location selection techniques, we just gone through this overview, we had it. The next one is
Sir, in last class, you are telling me I will tell some problems in this class.
yes, correct. That's what I'm looking. The types of plant layout is done, right? Process layout. Layouts is done, right? Vishnu?
Yes, sir, done.
Layouts is completed. Materials handling, I think it's completed now. We are entering into 8th unit now. Materials management is also done. Capacity planning, yes. Third CPM. CPM is there, capacity requirement planning. Okay, this is also done. Questions, outsourcing, time horizons, capacity is done. I think 9th unit we are in. Let me just show you the syllabus, what we are going to learn. Then we will work and job design, method study, work study. This is also done. In the previous class, I think I taught that. Time study done. Sorry, just want to show you the syllabus. That is why I'm just going through this. Planning and organization. Yes, here. Job shop, maths job shop. In that, we are learning this. Production system, continuous systems is done. Next, yes, we are here now. What CPM? Sequencing problems is done. I didn't start any problems, right? Last week?
No, sir. Any problem didn't start.
Okay. Where is this sequencing? Yes. This I'm looking for this planning and control of production systems. In that, we will be seeing this month processing n jobs through one mission. Say already these rules and this I will I will go through this first. Now we are into the 11th unit. In that, let me just give me some time. Plant layout is done, job shop, all this done. Now I will take you to this. One second. What is this? Sorry, ma, just I kept somewhere. That's why I'm not able to get it. Okay. If sir allows and have you, if sir asks me to share, I will share those PDFs to you. You talk to sir. And once sir allow, tell me to do that, I will do this. Okay. Right. Uh, this plant layouts, we have seen this, what is plant layout and what is product layout and what is fixed layout, all these things. We have seen different examples also. And work study also we have seen. In that work study, there are two things. One is method study. Second one is the work measurement. And under the work measurement, we have two things. One is time study and second one is the motion study. Right? This already we learned what are the things are there in that. Now, if you want to skip the heading, job sequencing, product or job sequencing. So I can't give you the time, but please listen. We don't have much time, but keep the heading. Okay. Once this PDF, once the PDF is shared, you can see this heading, product sequencing. See, as when we are discussing this in the job shop, they will keep the jobs or what we call the process in a sequencing order. Okay. And in the job shop, the scheduling of the jobs is a very important thing. Right. Here in the priority of these jobs, see, there are, let us say, these are the job sequencing, job processing time, and these are the due days. And how to process the time, already it's there in your textbooks. But when there are missions, see this is important point. Job in the job production process. When there are n jobs and there is only one mission, there is a sum, there is a model here that you can see, understand this. When I told you about there are n jobs through 2 missions and 3 missions. Okay. First, I will start this with n jobs through 2 missions. Then I will go to the 3 missions and then to the 1 mission. Okay. Is it fine? Hello? Are you listening? Okay. Right. First n job through the 2 missions. You keep the heading 2 missions. And then 3 missions is very easy. Once you understand 2 missions, this is the toughest thing. Once you understand these 2 mission problems, 3 mission problems is easy. And based on 2 missions and 3 missions, easily you can do the 1 mission problem. Mostly the 1 mission problem, I don't think whether they've given the exam, but generally my one. See this, there are few things here you need to understand the terminology. The same notes which is there in my notes and these notes are same. Number of missions, terminology. Here, I'll for you to understand, let me tell you an example. Let us say, recently my students, we all together went to Jinda Tilismat. In the Jinda Tilismat, they are using this product sequencing only. Product sequencing only. Right? There is one big mission, but there are different jobs are there. See, here, every job is done after the first job is done. After the first job, it will go to the second job. Let us say Jinda Tilismat. How many of you know those tins, dabbas? You are aware of it, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, those small tins, the plastic bottles, those plastic bottles manufacturing process, we went there. Small scale industry, but now it is growing big now. The first process is that first job. I will tell you for your example, for your understanding, I'm telling. The first job is to make the liquid, the kind of blood color related, the liquid, what they're pouring, they will keep it in on a big tin, kind of big tin or a container, a big container. From that big tin, it will go to the next mission. In that mission, the bottles will be arranged in an order. They will keep it in a one tin, and the mission will automatically bring one tin to that particular place. Okay. And after the filling, there are few pipes which will fill those bottles. That is second process. After filling, slowly the bottles will come to the next place. And after that, there is another mission which will keep the caps. It will keep the cap and it only fix the cap. After fixing, it will go to the next job. And the next job is that the labeling part. The label cover will, dress that particular bottle. The label will wrap it up and some heat will come, it will fix to that. And from that, it will go to the final process and it will go into the containers. And there people will keep them in a boxes in a proper way. And those small boxes will pack into a big box, and that is the process. Say, how many jobs are there in this? Oh, many jobs are there. Now, this is one way. This is line sequence. But in a product sequencing, product layout, do you remember product layout? Sorry, product layout and process. The second one. What is the second type of layout? Process layout. Do you remember that? What is process layout means? Those jobs will be done in a different departments. It is not in one line, in one department it will go. It will done in different departments, and all these processes will combine together in one place and they will process it. That is the thing. Okay. Now, processing order, it refers to the order in which various machines are arranged in a complete the job. Processing order, one order after the another order. That is the order of the missions. First mission, second mission, third mission. Now, processing time. What is processing time here? In one job, listen to each and every point carefully. Otherwise, you can't understand the problems. In one job, that is a filling of the liquid, right? How much time it is taking to fill the liquid is called the processing time. Hello, are you understanding what I am trying to say?
Yeah.
To complete that particular process, how much time it will take, that is called the processing time. The next one, fourth one, idle time on a mission. Now, the mission, the Jinda Talismat mission, that filling mission and the capping mission, see, all those things are linked to the only one button, I think so. Whatever, let us say those are different missions. Capping mission and tightening the cap mission, another process. And after that, labeling mission, these are all there. You tell me whether all these missions will start at one time or one after the another, they will switch on.
All will start at a time.
Very good. Always start at a one time. This we need to understand. Now, let us say those four missions are there for our simplification. One is filling mission, second one is capping mission, third one is labeling mission. Let us say 3-1. All the three starts at 1. Now, when the bottle is filling in the first part, the mission, what the next part capping mission is doing, it is not doing anything, right? But is it on or not? Is it on? Right? But during this filling, this is also on, but it is not performing any job. This time we call it as an idle time. Ma, you got it? What is idle time means?
Yes.
Ma, can you speak a bit louder, whether yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? You understood, right? Yeah. Now, total elapsed time. What is this total elapsed time? From the first mission till the last mission, how much time it will take to complete all these processes? Let us say filling, capping, labeling, all these things. The total time, it is called the total elapsed time. In the sequencing problems, we need to study these things. We need to find out what is total elapsed time, what is idle time on mission A, what is processing time, anyway they will give. Processing order also they will give, A to B or B to A. Definitely they will give. And the next one, this one, total elapsed time they will. No passing rule. No passing rule means, let us say there are two machines are there. One is filling and second one is capping. And there is no passing rule. Definitely after filling the liquid, it has to go to the next mission, right? In the same order. Now let's see the first problem. Can anyone read this problem quickly? Louder.
A machine operator has to perform two operations, that is turning and threading on a number of different jobs. The time required to perform each job is known. Determine the order in which the jobs should be processed in order to minimize the total time required to turn out all the jobs.
Thank you. Right. See, the question is that there are two operators, turning and threading. Let us say two machines. One is turning machine and threading machine. On a number of different jobs. Different jobs are there, which will be happen on these two operators. The time required to perform each job. These are the jobs. How many jobs are there in the question? 6 is known. That means already given. Determine the order which the job should be processed in order to minimize the total required time to turn out. They're asking the total time required to turn out all the jobs. What is this definition? What is this called? We already learned the definition. What is they're asking now?
Total elapsed time.
Elapsed.
Thank you. Very good. Thank you for listening. Total elapsed time they're asking us to think. Second one, the question is incomplete. They're asking us to even to come find out the idle time also. There are two missions. What is the idle time on A? What is the idle time on B? Please take the screenshots. I don't have time for you need to note down. Please take the screenshot of this sum. I will just minimize it for one thing. Anyway, if take a screenshot of this, keep it aside. Okay. Now, see this, the solution. Here, this is the problem, the same problem. This is different. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, this answer is. Acha, the steps are different. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the thing. Actually, this paper should be at the end and it is here. Okay, whatever. We will see this sum there. Not this sum, first sum on. Have you taken this first sum? 3, 12, 5 to 9. This one. Okay. This is the question, ma. And this is the answer. First, among this, what I will do, man. So, yeah, this is the thing. I will do one thing.
First, we have to arrange the jobs in sequence order.
What, ma? Yes, I didn't hear you. Tell me once. Subramanya, you're telling something? Srimannarayan. Hello.
First, we have to find out the order of sequencing, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Job sequencing, correct. First, we need to find out the job sequence. How to find out this? Now, see this question very clearly.
All the steps are given for that only.
Amma? Can you speak a bit louder, ma'am? I'm not able to hear me. It's fans. 1 second, let me keep the earphones. Okay, now you tell me, ma, I'm not able to hear. Now I can hear. Tell me. What you're telling, I'm not able to understand.
Arrange the sequencing order only, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, first we have to arrange the order in the sequence.
Srimannarayana, are you talking something?
Nothing. Yeah, please carry on.
Is my voice is audible to everybody?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is my voice audible?
Yes. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You please carry on.
Sai Vishnuvardhan. I am not able to hear anyone. Is my voice audible, Santu?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We can hear.
What happened to this? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's audible only. Why is people are not talking then?
We
Sir, we
are
are
talking, but
Sriman Narayan.
you are not able to hear our voice, sir.
I am not able to hear anyone.
Yeah.
Sai Vishnuvardhan, can you speak? Shantu, you can speak?
Sir, I
Sir,
am
we are
audible.
speaking, sir.
I am not able to hear anything. Now, can anyone speak now?
Hello. Yeah. Yes, sir. You are not
It's
able to
audible,
audio.
Subramanian said.
You are
Okay,
not
I will do
audible.
one thing. I will
Hello.
just leave and I will join again. Something happened to this.
Chotu.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Appa. Thank you so much. What happened to my thing?
Yeah,
Try again.
earlier our voice were not able to hear.
Then who is the admin, sir? Can you make me host? Host to disabled participant sharing. But already I started late and again now. Sir, host name. Host access ఏమని చెప్పరా ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది తొందర చేయమని చెప్పు.
Now you can carry on, sir. No issue.
I can
Now
share. No, ma, actually without showing, say I can teach you. So okay, fine. Anyway, you have the screenshot with you, right?
Yeah.
The sum.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah. See this. In that there are 6 jobs are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yeah,
Ma, please everybody just unmute yourself and talk.
Yeah.
Okay. How many jobs are there?
Total 6 jobs. We have to
6
arrange in
jobs are
sequence.
there. And we have 2 machines are there. Among and 2 machines, yeah, 2 machines and 6 jobs are there. And for each job, there are some time they have given, right? Yeah, now I can share. Okay, is the screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Right. Now see this. Now,
Yes,
among these timings, like there are 6 jobs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Sir,
6.
order of crossing the jobs are not mentioned.
We have
Sir,
the time.
Sir,
Amma.
order of crossing the jobs have not mentioned in the question. B to A or
Yeah,
A to B?
This will be A to B only, ma.
So that should be
2
given
operators.
in the question also.
Yeah,
That should be given.
actually, the few words are missing in this. Actually,
Yeah.
we need to make it turning as mission A and threading as mission B, and they have to give the order also. Good question only. But if you see this another, let me show you another question. Hello. Yes, ma'am. I think this
Yes, sir.
question is only incomplete. No need to worry. But the order is A to B only. Very good. Thank you. The order is A to B. Now, the first thing, let's not waste the time. At least this sum we have to complete. There are 6 jobs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is this 3? Can anyone tell?
The processing time of machine A for the
Superb.
first job.
The processing time for the mission A or first job. If you take 2, the processing job, I mean, that means the 4th job to complete on mission A, it is taking 2 minutes. And the same 4th job to complete on mission B, it is taking 6 minutes. Other Santu and Vishnu, are you able to understand? Are you there, Santu and Vishnu?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are listening, right? Yeah, please respond, ma, if you can. Right now, after looking at the question, now you tell me, Santu, you tell me, what is the least processing time among the mission A and mission B timings? Which one is the least processing time among A and B timings? Yeah, Santu Chaudhary, can I ask you or shall I ask Reeman Narayan?
No, I'm
Yes,
listening,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Can you reply? Can you respond?
Sixth job,
Yeah.
sir.
The sixth job, that means one. One is the least processing time, right?
Yes,
Ah.
yes, sir.
And this one is belongs to which mission? A or B?
B.
Second
Very
mission,
good.
B.
One is belongs to the second mission. What is the corresponding job? Six.
Sixth
Right?
job.
Now, this one you have to keep it in the last place. Why last
Not
place,
one,
sir?
sir,
Why it is
sixth.
not first
Not-
place? Because this one is belongs to the mission B. If the same one is here, if the one is belongs to mission A, and you need to keep the six, the job six in the first place. Because this one least processing time, one is belongs to mission B, it has to be in the last place. Okay, is it clear? First point. Now already this is allotted, cross this term. You need to cross it out. Now see, this is how it will come. Okay, the next one. After crossing the six job is allotted, and we have remaining, how many jobs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Among these jobs, Santu, you tell me which one is the least processing time?
Sir, 3, sir.
Amma?
Fourth job, sir.
Tell me the time first. Time 2, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
2.
2. And this 2 is belongs to A mission or B mission?
A mission.
A mission. And what is the corresponding job?
4.
4. When this is belongs to the A mission, this corresponding 4 will come in the left side or right side? Left side. Okay. Because this 2 is belongs to first mission, it will come in the left side. Because if this 2 is belongs to the mission B, it will come in the right side. Very good. Now this will be crossed out. 4 also will be crossed out. 4 and the corresponding timings also. What is the reduced list? 1, 2, 3, 5. Now tell me which one is the next least processing time among these timings?
3s.
3. We have 2 3s, right? 2 3s. Let us consider this first 3. And this 3 is belongs to
A mission.
A mission. And what is the corresponding job? 1.
First job.
First.
And 1, it should be left or right?
Left.
Left side. 1. You assign this. Now at the same time, we have another 3. And this 3 is belongs to B mission.
Mission
And what
B.
is the corresponding job?
5.
5. And where the 5 should be? The 5
Right
will come.
side.
Then after, see, 1 is done, cross it out. 5 is done, cross it out. We have only 2 missions. Mission 2 and mission 3. And mission 2 and mission 3, what are we have? 12, 5, 10, 9. And this 5 is the least one. 5 is belongs to mission A.
Mission
And the
A.
corresponding job 3 will come in the first place. And after placing the 3, we have only 1 mission. This 2 will come and 2 will come here. Simple. You got it? How to write it in the sequencing order?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Say, after you getting this, this sequence, the sequence, now this is the very important task. This is important. Please listen to this carefully. Say, actually, the question is incomplete there. You need to find out 3 things. If you're taking screenshot and after if you're copying, write those 3 questions. One is find out the job sequencing order. First question. Second one, find out the total elapsed time. Second question. Third question, find out the idle time on each mission. We have 2 missions. We need to find out idle time on mission A. We need to find out idle time on mission B. Now, are you able to understand? Question is clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us go into this. Now, you need to keep this in your mind. This is the table. First, the table is like, keep the heading job, write down the sequence 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6. You write like here. And after that, keep the heading mission A. And under mission A, write down in time, out time, or time in, time out. Okay, next mission B, time in, time out. And idle time on mission A, idle time on mission B. This is the headings. These are the headings you need to keep. Okay, job order, mission A, in time, out time, mission B, in time, out time, idle time on A, idle time. These two things you need to keep. Now, job order 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6. Now, starting with this fourth job. What is the in time for mission A? Now keep your mind in point in like this. You view in this mind like there is mission A and mission B. Okay. Processing. Job 4 is coming onto the mission A. Okay. In the starting, what is the in time for mission A? 0 only, right?
0.
Hello? Yes or no?
Yeah, 0.
0 only. It will start with 0. Okay, right. Now 0 will be the in time. What will be the out time for fourth job? Go to the box. What is the in time for fourth job?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, like that. Very good.
Not in time, processing time.
Sorry. Sorry. Processing time. 0 plus 1 for job 2 on mission A. What is the question?
0 to 2.
I'm going back. For job 2 on mission A. Right.
Not sir. Job 4. Job 4.
For job 4 on mission A, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and you write like
0 to 2.
0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Now for the job 4, job 1. What will be the in time when the job 1 is coming?
The out time of first job.
Previous mission. Wonderful. Thank you. The 2 will come here. Why? Because to complete the job 4 at the second minute, the job 4 is completed. Once the job 4 is completed, another job is getting ready. Job 4 is completed over. It is now passing on to the mission 2. Just keep it aside. We will calculate that next part. Now again, job 1 is coming. Right. But how many minutes it has waited? Almost to complete the previous job, it is taking 2. That is why we are taking this 2 as an in time. And to complete the job 1 on mission A, how much time it has taken? 3 minutes. Let's go back to the question.
Yeah.
Right? Job 1 on mission A, 3 minutes. Right? 3 minutes. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now again, what is the in time for the next job? The
5.
previous out time will be the 5 will come here. To complete the job 3 on mission A, it will come 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Again, for the in time for the mission 2, 10. And for to complete the job 2 on mission A, it is 12. 1 plus 12, 22. Again, 22 will come. And in time to complete the fifth job on mission A, 22 plus 9 is equal to 31. And 31 will come here. And to complete the job 6 on mission A, we'll take 31 plus 11 is equal to 40. Right? This is what it will happen. Now coming to the mission B. In the mission B, what is the in time for mission?
2 minutes.
And to complete, why 2? Because it is this mission B has to wait till the previous job is completed. I mean, previous process completed on that. And 2 will come here. And 2 plus, what is the in time for mission 4 on B?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Now the 8 will be the in time for the next job. 8. For the job 1, how much time it is taking to complete on mission B? 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 will come here. Next again for the job 3 on mission A, 16 plus 9, 25. Again 25 will come here. And once 25 comes, 25 plus for job 2 on mission B, 10, 35. And 35 will come here. And here 35 to complete job 5 and this 35 plus 3, 38. Now what has to come here? Now are you looking at the screen, everybody?
Yeah.
What has to come here?
35.
38, right?
38, that is.
Why I have written 42? Can anyone tell?
Yeah.
The thing is that, see, the previous job on mission B, it is running, it is completed at the 38th minute. But the sixth job, still processing till 42nd minute. That is why you need to take the 42 here, not the 38. 38 is done.
Maximum of out time of both these jobs.
Wonderful. Very good. You keep this like this. It should be always like this, right? If it is 38, I'm not taking 38 here, I'm taking 42. But once you add this 42, it will come 42. Okay, this is how it will go out. Now, is this clear? Ideal time we will continue tomorrow, because I have some other work, people are waiting there at 5 o'clock. Tomorrow, I'll continue this and we'll do another example tomorrow in the 4 o'clock class. Please come on time. Today I didn't see people joining immediately. Hello, is it fine?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll see you there. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right.